Welcome to Omi-Studio. Here, you will learn in detail about ONBASE. This course equips professionals with the skills to manage documents and automate workflows using the ONBASE ECM platform.
With radio buttons, we could select only one option. But what if we need end users to select multiple options? For that, we are going to use the checkbox control. But first, I'd like to add this to the right of entertainment, so you guessed it, I'm going to add another panel. I'd like to add this to the right side of entertainment, so I'm going to add 2 columns here. And I'll adjust my widths and click OK. Now I'm going to start adding my checkbox controls. I need to add a control for every option in the group. And to help my end users identify what they're selecting here, I'm going to add a paragraph. Now we need to know what items to stock in the bar. Please select drinks for the bar. So now I'm going to rename my checkbox labels. So we'll add beer, wine, and of course, good old Kentucky bourbon. Let's test out our checkboxes. I can select one option or I can select multiple.